Avocado toast. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's taken the world by storm. This humble dish has gone from a breakfast staple to a trendy cafe item. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Avocado toast is a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a kitchen novice, this recipe will guide you to avocado toast perfection. Get ready to unlock a world of flavor with just a few simple ingredients. Let's get toasting. Before we embark on our avocado toast adventure, let's gather our culinary tools. Having the right tools at hand can make the process smoother and more enjoyable. A good chef's knife, a sturdy cutting board, and a reliable toaster are key. Don't forget a fork for mashing the avocado and a spoon for scooping it out. A citrus juicer can also come in handy for extracting the juice from lemons or limes. Now let's move on to the ingredients. Don't worry, you won't need a fancy kitchen arsenal for this recipe. Here's your shopping list. First, you'll need ripe avocados. These are the star of the show, so make sure they're perfectly ripe. Next, choose your favorite type of bread. Whether it's sourdough, whole wheat, or rye, the choice is yours. You'll also need a lemon or lime for a touch of acidity, salt and pepper for seasoning, and some good quality olive oil to add richness. Ripe avocados. Gently press the avocado. It should yield slightly to pressure, indicating ripeness. If it's too hard, it needs more time to ripen. If it's too soft, it's overripe. The perfect avocado will have a slight give when you press it, and the skin should be dark green to black in color. Bread of your choice. Sourdough, whole wheat, rye, the choice is yours. Each type of bread brings its own unique flavor and texture to the avocado toast. Sourdough is tangy and chewy, whole wheat is hearty and nutty, and rye has a distinctive, slightly sweet flavor. Choose the one that best suits your taste. Lemon or lime. We'll use a squeeze of its juice to brighten the flavors. The acidity from the citrus cuts through the richness of the avocado, adding a refreshing zing. You can use either lemon or lime depending on your preference. Both work wonderfully to enhance the overall taste of the toast. Salt and pepper. A pinch of each enhances the overall taste. Salt brings out the natural flavors of the avocado, while pepper adds a subtle kick. Be sure to season to your taste, but remember that a little goes a long way. Olive oil. A drizzle adds richness and depth. Use a good quality extra virgin olive oil for the best flavor. The olive oil not only adds a luxurious texture to the avocado, but also complements its creamy taste with its own fruity and slightly peppery notes. These are our core ingredients for avocado toast success. With these simple yet essential items, you're well on your way to creating a delicious and satisfying meal. The beauty of avocado toast lies in its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. Feel free to customize with your favorite toppings later. Avocado toast is incredibly versatile, and you can get creative with your toppings. Consider adding sliced tomatoes, radishes, or even a poached egg for extra protein. Fresh herbs like cilantro or basil can add a burst of flavor, while a sprinkle of red pepper flakes can give it a spicy kick. The possibilities are endless, so have fun experimenting and making it your own. The foundation of any great avocado toast is, well, the toast. Choose your favorite bread. I recommend a sturdy slice that can hold the creamy avocado. Toast the bread to your liking. Go for a light golden brown or a crispy, crunchy texture. Remember, we want the toast to complement the avocado, not overpower it. Section 4. Creating the Avocado Dream Team. In this section, we will guide you through the process of preparing the perfect avocado base for a variety of delicious dishes. Whether you're making guacamole, avocado toast, or a creamy avocado spread, these steps will ensure you get the best results every time. Now for the star of the show, the avocado. Choosing the right avocado is crucial. Look for avocados that are slightly soft to the touch but not mushy. The skin should be dark and have a bumpy texture. These are signs that the avocado is ripe and ready to use. Cut a ripe avocado in half lengthwise. Use a sharp knife and be careful as you slice through the skin and flesh until you reach the pit. A clean cut will make the next steps easier. Twist to separate the halves. Hold each half and twist them in opposite directions. This should easily separate the two halves. Carefully remove the pit by gently tapping it with the knife and twisting it out. If the pit is stubborn, you can use a spoon to scoop it out. Scoop the avocado flesh into a bowl. Use a spoon to gently scoop out the flesh, making sure to get as close to the skin as possible to avoid wasting any of the delicious avocado. Add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice. This not only enhances the flavor, but also helps to prevent the avocado from browning. The acidity from the citrus juice acts as a natural preservative. This prevents browning and adds a touch of zing. The citrus juice will keep your avocado looking fresh and vibrant, while also adding a subtle tangy flavor that complements the creamy texture of the avocado. Sprinkle in some salt and pepper. Seasoning is key to bringing out the natural flavors of the avocado. Start with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper and adjust to taste. Now, gently mash the avocado with a fork. Depending on what you're making, you can mash it to your desired consistency. For guacamole, you might want a chunkier texture, while for a spread, a smoother consistency might be preferable. You can go for a chunky texture or a smoother consistency, depending on your preference. Experiment with different textures to find what you like best. And there you have it, the perfect avocado base ready for your culinary creations. Section 5. Assembling your masterpiece. It's time to assemble our avocado toast masterpiece. Drizzle a bit of olive oil onto the warm toast. This adds a lovely richness. Spread the mashed avocado evenly over the toast. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Get creative with your spreading technique. Section 6. Taste bud temptations. Serving up your avocado toast. Our avocado toast is ready to tantalize your taste buds. Serve it immediately for optimal freshness. You can enjoy it as is or elevate it with some toppings. A sprinkle of red pepper flakes adds a touch of heat. Everything bagel seasoning provides a savory crunch. Cherry tomatoes bring bursts of sweetness. The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Beyond the basics avocado toast innovations. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of basic avocado toast. The creamy, rich texture of the avocado paired with the crunch of the toast is a match made in heaven. But why stop there? Now it's time to unleash your inner culinary artist. Think of your avocado toast as a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a masterpiece. Add a poached egg for a protein-packed breakfast. The runny yolk adds a luxurious touch, blending perfectly with the creamy avocado. Layer on smoked salmon for a touch of elegance. The smoky flavor of the salmon complements the avocado beautifully, and a squeeze of lemon adds a refreshing zest. Get creative and make it your own. Try adding radishes for a peppery crunch, seeds for extra texture, or microgreens for a burst of freshness. The possibilities are endless. Avocado toast is more than just a meal. It's an experience, a way to express your culinary creativity and impress your friends and family. It's a celebration of fresh, simple ingredients. The beauty of avocado toast lies in its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. So go ahead, grab some avocados and start toasting your way to culinary bliss. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or an elaborate brunch, avocado toast is always a good idea.